Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload screenshots and videos to your Nintendo Switch app on your phone from Nintendo Switch 2. To do it, you'll need to go to the settings, to the album, of course, right here. Now in the album, you can simply click on select button right here and click on upload to smart device. This option will only show up if you have a Nintendo Switch app on your phone and you are logged into it. You can see I have it right here. And once I click on upload to smart device, I can select the account to do it with. Let's click on OK. Now select which ones to upload. I'm gonna select all of them. I think I need to click on them separately to actually upload them. Then click on upload. Now it will start uploading. It may take a moment. I'm gonna get back to you shortly. When it says that data was uploaded successfully, let's click on OK. And now as I go to the Nintendo Switch app on my phone, if I go to the album, I'm gonna retry. And you can see there are the screenshots loaded, and you can also see that up to 100 uploaded files can be displayed for 30 days from when they are uploaded. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.